degree, and this is our pneumatic class project for this semester. First, we started out with a pre-built arm with the cylinders already installed on it. And after that, we decided we were going to make a little pick-and-place system that would pick plates off this side and load them on the other, electrically controlled with just switches and solenoids. So what we did is we wired up our switches and our solenoids with the three-way valves and to control it. And then we purchased a vacuum gripper to pick up the plates from the unload and put them to the loading station. And then we built this just for a demonstrative purpose. And later on, we're going to automate this system with sensors, and then it'll be controlled under a computer written in the C language. And now we're going to explain each axis and how it works.
We've got our rotation axis. We've got the rotation axis here, which is a dual piston control here. It's got a hard stop on one side, and it's a 360 rotation. But we've installed a hard stop over here. It's just a metal bar with a bumper on it to contact this surface on the waist, so it will automatically stop at the point over here for our pickup load. Then we've got our shoulder axis right here, which does most of the picking, lowering and raising. It'll pick most of the parts, and that lowers down to meet the plates and raises back up. We controlled that with two the exhaust valves instead of the pressure in. We weren't getting a good motion with that. It was coming down too hard, so when we limit the exhaust, it gives it a nice sweeping motion. Then we've got our elbow. This is unlimited. We just put a couple bumpers in here to make it a little bit soft on the landing front there. And that's the elbow. And we've got our suction cup right here on the top, which is, like we explained, we bought this, and that gives us our suction. Just runs off the main line hose right there. Then we've got over here is our upload side, which the arm comes down to meet, and we've got a reset switch here, or that actually catches the plates, and every time a piece is pulled out, it'll push up, and we have it unload and load, and it comes up to meet the switch, and the switch shuts the solenoid off, and we remove a plate, it'll automatically adjust on the piston. And on this side, we have another switch just the same way except inverted, and it does about the same thing. When the plate lands on it, it drops down, and another plate. And we have a mercury safety switch that when it's flipped, it disengages our reset switch, so we can't remove this switch from here because we've had several fly off by now. And so without that, it's deactivated. With the switch on, it resets itself and is ready for another plate to land on it. So we'll give you a little demonstration here of how it works. Shoulder goes down, gets in suction, elbow pulls it out, you can see our load plate moves back up one, and the switch stops it. So the shoulder goes up, loop it around, shoulder down, and you see it drop one more. Once we get to optical sensors, we'll be able to control it a lot closer. and that's one cycle of the whole thing. And now we can reset our load sides here. It automatically lowers the platform, so when we put the plates back down, it will automatically load. The shoulder out of the way here. You can see that it lowered down, and our switch is tripped here, which allows us not to be able to reset it, so we don't break anything in the process of removing our plates. And once you remove the plates here, you flip that up, and it automatically resets there, and you're ready for another cycle. And this will be ready for another cycle here. Plates back in here. And you can see it automatically reloads itself, and will stop, and it's ready for another cycle of 10 plates, or you can have it go to however many plates you needed. So that's pretty much a basic operation, and once we get to computer control, it will all be automated through that, and a little bit better sensors. Okay. Should be ready. Set it down. Click it. I click the switch. There you go. Yep. Okay. Alrighty. Alright.